In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Phantom Wallet in Pumpfun TG bot. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key detail. You can't directly connect the Phantom Wallet app to a Telegram trading bot the same way you would connect a wallet to a website. Instead, the process works by importing your Phantom Wallet's private key into the bot. This allows the bot to access that wallet on the Solana network and use the funds already in it for trading. Because this involves sensitive wallet access, make sure you do this carefully and only with a bot you trust. First, go to pump.fun and make sure you're working with the correct Telegram bot you plan to use. Once you're ready, start by getting the private key from your Phantom wallet. Open Phantom, then tap the menu icon in the top left corner. From there, go into Settings and then choose Manage Accounts. You'll see the account or wallet you normally use. Tap on that account and look for the option that says Show Private Key. At this point, Phantom will ask you to enter your wallet password in order to reveal the key. After the key appears, tap Copy so it's saved to your clipboard. Take your time during this part because the private key is extremely sensitive. Anyone with access to it can control the wallet, so avoid sharing it, exposing it on screen, or storing it in an unsafe place. The goal here is simply to copy it so you can immediately use it for the import. Next, switch over to your Pumpfun Telegram bot. Open the bot and type /start to begin. Once the bot interface loads, open the settings menu. Inside settings, look for the wallet section and tap on it. In that area, choose import wallet. The bot will then prompt you to paste your private key. Paste the key you copied from Phantom into the input field and then confirm the import. Once that's completed, your wallet will be linked to the Telegram bot and the bot should now be able to interact with that wallet for Solana-based trades. That's the full process. Open Phantom, go to Settings and Manage Accounts, reveal and copy your private key, then open the Pumpfun TG bot, go to Settings, Wallets, choose Import Wallet, paste the key, and confirm. If you follow those steps carefully, you should be able to add your Phantom wallet successfully.